Buying a home is one of the largest purchases you're ever likely to make, unless of course you're one of the privileged few. You pay for a property with a mortgage, so that's a loan taken out to buy property or land secured against the value of your home until it is fully paid off. Now this means if you can't keep up your mortgage repayments, sadly the lender can repossess, so take back your home and sell it to get their money back. The mortgage market is such a minefield with so many options: repayment, interest only. Do you go for a fixed rate, or do you risk tracking the bank base rate? I mean, how long do you take one out for? Are there any flexible options to repay early or overpay? Then you've got the current account type mortgage. Now there's a totally new ballgame. You can apply for a mortgage directly from a bank or building society, choosing from their limited product range. The problem here is, to find the most suitable deals, you would have to visit all the lenders directly, which is very time consuming and of course, not forgetting, it's stressful. You could trust a comparison site, but quite often these don't give you all the details and may not show you all the lenders. An important transaction like this really does need the human touch from an expert. Now the good news is that here at Conran Financial we are independent mortgage experts and will shop around for the best rate and mortgage that suits you, saving you time, stress and of course quite a bit of cash. We will also undertake the progression of your mortgage as we can deal with senior underwriters at the various lenders. With us, you deal with people and not with a computer says no scenario, which is so common this day and age. Be careful, as some other advisors suggest they are independent when they really only work from a small panel of lenders. This is usually calculated on your income, but also on what you can afford based on your circumstances. It really helps if you have a deposit to put towards the cost of your property, and the more deposit, the lower the interest rate could be, as a general rule of thumb. A lender will need to know you can keep up your repayments, so may wish to see details of your household bills and personal expenses, which can include leisure and childcare commitments with some lenders. Many lenders have different ways of working out how much you can borrow. Another reason why you should always talk to an independent mortgage advisor like us, because we really know our stuff. Don't stretch yourself if you think you might struggle to keep up repayments. Also, think about the running costs of owning a home, such as ongoing household bills, council tax, insurance and leasehold charges. Be prepared for any unforeseen expenditure, such as the boiler breaking down, as Murphy's Law often comes into play when you first buy a home. Lenders want proof that you will be able to keep up repayments if interest rates rise. They may refuse to offer you a mortgage if they don't think you'll be able to afford it. Put simply, a lender will only lend if they feel you're able to pay them back, and the property will be worth the amount that you are borrowing. Interest is charged on the amount borrowed, and the rates can change, and your monthly payment could go up depending upon the type of mortgage you choose. Do remember this when working out what you can afford. Here at Conran Financial, we understand the house buying market and can offer you a free consultation. Oh, and yes, just to remind you again, we are truly independent mortgage experts. So what have you got to lose? Our contact details are on the screen now, and we look forward to being of service.